Hey guys, this is Benjamin, aka Ghost Killer. Today we will be playing, I don't know what this game is called, I just watch stuff, honestly. If we can do this here, I have the last level bike because I'm actually saving up for the best level bike. Yeah, this is pretty challenging, as my brother here knows. I say it's challenging. Here we go, checkpoint, woo, real time.
Look at his back fender.
Whoa, backflip!
I mean, dude, that back fender sucks.
Oh! No! No! Yeah, I finally got this one here. No, it's not explosives! Oh my goodness. Wow, this explosives one is hard. Why does that even have to be there? I'll continue for 60 coins. Yeah, buddy boy. Checkpoint. Boom, boom, boom. Yeah. Alright, we'll do the next one here. All coins, backflip, angle. Let's do this. Oh man, no! Oh, buddy boy! Speed up. Oh, that's why it says speed up. Alright, you can push me back. I'll just come back like a boomerang. And I'll let you hater get your way. Cause I'm gonna come back like a boomerang.
You like that song?
No, I hate it, but... No! I completely missed that. Checkpoint. Oh. What is this? I am never gonna make this. I will be doing 3 more levels, and that will be it for this video today. No, I hate this level. You have to jump that one. No, not the explosives. Yeah, buddy boy. Got him. What an angle. Oh, I'm going down for real. What? Oh, I'm going up. Hey, I never knew you could. Backflip. You said I can't do a backflip. Like a roller coaster. You said I can't do a front flip either. Oh, you're right. I probably can't. I can't do a front flip right there. No.
I like around on the edges it turns red.
Up, backflip. Backflip. Woo. No, not the ramp. I completely missed the ramp. Are you kidding me? Here we go. Get this dirt bike. Yeah! I died and I still beat the level! Oh my goodness. Army Men Strike. What the heck is an Army Men Strike? After this, we're gonna do one more level after this one. This is a hard game. Nope.
I did this level. It's pretty easy.
Checkpoint. Oh, nope. Done.
Don't. There's one more trick. No, wait on there, okay? Because you're gonna get mashed.
Oh man, I can't.
Good job.
Last level, boys.
Oh yeah, that was pretty hard.
Oh, no. Oh. Who says I'm the... Mother, stop making me bed. Stop making me go to bed at 6. Or else this could be you. Riding a KTM. I mean a Suzuki. Or a Honda. Who knows?
What car or
Dirt bike. I'm a dirt bike cunt. Oh!
I was going.
Okay, I am done with this level. Bye-bye. Menu. Okay, I'll do level 1. I'll do level 1 for you. Here we go. Level 1. Boom. In your face, outer space.
Why is level 1 so hard?
Oh, I already did this level. Oh yeah, buddy boy. I'm gonna do a wheelie all the way down. You win. Oh. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember to click and subscribe. Click down below. If you subscribe, you can tell me what games you want me to do next. Thanks for watching. Ghost Killer out.